Watley crew reporting live from Steinhatchee, Florida. We got Mr. Johnson here and Mrs. Johnson over there fishing. Mr. Watley.
Top cut.
You gotta do it 1,000 times in a row.
And then on the back part of the shell, you reach down there and cut that out, and then wrap it around and pull the gut. Just like that.
There you go.
You're lefty.
Simple.
You do it opposite.
Yep. Lefty, we got our lefty side over here. One more time.
Okay, let me get this one cleaned out and then we'll do another lefty.
Alright. Looking good, looking good. We got some good looking scallops here, folks.
I'm gonna get a bigger one.
Alright. We got a whole cooler full. You know, folks, you want to put these on ice so they pop open. 20 minutes on ice, they pop right open.
So if you're a lefty, you want to do brown side down, facing toward you. That's the side that the muscle's on. You cut the muscle, take the brown side top off, go in with the dull side, try to get up under that gut right there, and it should pull right out. Sometimes you gotta go back in there for a second time, but that's it. It's
Yep.
it's one of those things that sometimes it works and sometimes it doesn't.
And then this is the easy part. Just a spoon.
Spoon it right into your bowl.
You know, you get that on film, but it comes right out just like that. Well, of course, you're not showing that I'm really good at it. You're showing I suck.
No.
All right, y'all. Good luck with it.
Yep.
Make sure you don't go over your limit. FWC's at the ranch.
Have fun. Have a good day. Wear your sunscreen. Peace out from Watley Crew.